GoHighLevel is handing out free AI tools this summer, and most people on the platform have no idea. Voice AI, conversation AI, AI Studio, all of it free. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what's included, how to turn it on, what to do if you don't qualify for the free version, and how to actually charge your clients for it. Let's go. Hey, if you already know what the Summer of AI Employee is and just want to activate it fast, jump to the activation section in the timestamps below. The full step-by-step guide with the screenshots is also available at GHLCentral.com. The link is in the description. For everyone else, stick with me. There's more to this than most people think. So what is this? GoHighLevel launched a campaign called the Summer of AI. It runs June through August 31st, and it gives every HighLevel account access to their full AI suite at no extra cost. New user, existing user, doesn't matter. You can enroll and unlock it. But here's the thing, it's not one offer. It's 3 separate things that work differently. Let me break them down fast. Number 1, there are 5 free AI Copilots. These are yours the moment you enroll. Ask AI, AI Studio, Workflow AI, Funnel AI, and Email AI too. No eligibility check, no expiry until August 31st. These are the tools that help you build faster and automate smarter inside HighLevel every single day. Number 2, a 30 to 60 day free trial of what GoHighLevel is now calling specialized agents. Now, these are different. These aren't tools that help you work. These are AI agents that work for you, even when you're not there. Voice AI answers your inbound calls and captures leads automatically. Conversation AI keeps your messages going 24/7 across SMS, Facebook, Instagram, and web chat. Review AI manages your reputation on autopilot. And Content AI generates posts and emails on demand. One catch, your sub-account must have not used any of these agents in the past 90 days to qualify. Brand new accounts are automatically in. I'll show you what to do if you're not eligible in a minute. Here's what most people miss. The summer promo, that's the 50% off deal, and the Summer of AI Employee are 2 separate campaigns running at the same time. If you just signed up during the promo, you're already eligible for all this. If you're an existing user who hasn't touched the AI tools yet, you've got up to 60 days of free voice AI and conversation AI sitting in your account right now. Let's turn it on. Okay, one thing to get right before we start, you must log into your HighLevel agency account at app.gohighlevel.com. Not your white label domain, not your branded URL, the main HighLevel app. If you use your custom domain, the activation breaks. So go to app.gohighlevel.com right now and log in to get started. Done? Here we go. Make sure you're in your agency view, not inside a sub-account. You'll see your agency dashboard. Step 2, use our activation link below. That's GHLCentral.com, Summer of AI 2026. It's in the description below. This takes you straight to the enrollment screen and connects your account to our referral link so you can claim the bonus. Step 3, click Confirm to confirm the referral. Step 4, click Enable Free AI. Your AI Copilots turn on immediately. Step 5, select the sub-accounts you want to activate on. You'll see here those that are eligible and those that are not eligible. Step 6, choose your plan. The buttons here are confusing, so pay attention. If you want the growth plan or the $97 unlimited plan, extending free AI to 60 days in total, select the plan and click Yes, I want free AI. If you want pay-as-you-go, click No, I don't want 60 days free AI. Yes, that sounds backwards. That's just how HighLevel labeled it. Step 7, click Configure your setup and click the bottom Go to Billing. Step 8, select your billing preference. Do not rebill the charges to the sub-account and charge to the agency, or rebill the charges to the sub-account and have them pay. Agency level or sub-account level. Most agencies go for sub-account level because it's cleaner for client rebilling. If you're just using this for your agency, then select Do Not Rebill Charges to Sub-Account. Click Next and save the configuration. Step 9, you'll see the confirmation screen. Summer of AI is activated. 30 to 60 days of free AI on your selected accounts. Hit Let's Get Going. Step 10. Head over to our article on GHLCentral.com to grab your GHL Central bonus. That's our full AI business accelerator. Voice AI and conversation AI training, done-for-you snapshots you can install right into your account, and client deployment playbooks. All free when you activate through our referral link. What if your sub-account doesn't show up as eligible? No stress. This just means that account used the specialized agents in the last 90 days. You're not locked out, you just pay instead of getting the free trial. Go to that sub-account, find the AI employee section, and pick your plan. The growth plan at $50 a month gives you 1,000 conversation AI responses, 100 voice AI minutes, Reviews AI and Content AI Unlimited, all 5 copilots, and the Prompt Optimizer. Ask AI and AI Studio have a rolling rate limit that resets every 5 hours. So if you hit the limit, just wait for the reset and keep going. Pay as you go means no monthly fee. You only pay for what you actually use. Great for low volume accounts or if you just want to test the water. Here's the question I get from agencies next. When do I move from the $50 growth plan to the $97 unlimited plan? Simple. Once a client's sub-account is live and handling real calls and messages every day, the 100-minute and 1,000 response limits start to feel tight. At that point, the $97 flat rate removes all the caps and almost always works out cheaper than paying overages. Think of it this way. Growth plan is for proving the value. Unlimited is for scaling the results. Start on growth, move up when the numbers tell you to. Now here's where it gets really interesting for agencies. You can charge your clients for AI usage and keep the margin. With Agency Pro, you get rebilling controls. That means voice AI minutes, conversation AI responses, all of it. You pass those costs to the client and add a markup on top. Instead of AI eating into your profit, it becomes a revenue line. For agencies running AI across multiple client accounts, that one shift changes everything about how the numbers work. Full details on the Agency Pro plan and the upgrade pricing are in my summer promo guide. The link is in the description. All right, here's your fast recap. Free copilots, turn on immediately, no eligibility needed, free through August 31st. 30 to 60 day agent trial. Voice AI and conversation AI, free for eligible sub-accounts. Not eligible? Choose the growth plan at $50 or pay as you go inside your sub-account settings. Ready to scale? Choose unlimited at $97 a month, which removes all the caps. Want to charge clients? Agency Pro Plan plus rebilling turns AI into a revenue line. Activate right now at GHLCentral.com. The link is in the description. And check out our full guide with every screenshot over at GHL Central. Wishing you a happy summer of AI with GoHighLevel.